Are you ready to hear the truth? In this short video, I want to share a powerful secret that can help you fix low testosterone much more easily than you might think. People often assume that boosting testosterone is all about taking supplements or doing special workouts, but the real key isn't what you add, it's what you avoid. There are certain hidden triggers in your lifestyle and diet that quietly destroy your testosterone levels, and most men don't even realize what's happening. So today, we're going to break it all down in a simple way. First, we'll cover the symptoms of low testosterone. Then we'll talk about what actually increases testosterone naturally. And after that, we'll go over 3 major things you absolutely need to avoid if you want your testosterone to return to its normal, healthy range. Now, let's start with the symptoms. When testosterone is low, the first thing men usually notice is a drop in sexual desire. It doesn't feel the same, and motivation takes a hit. You may also feel more tired than usual, and your energy just isn't where it used to be. Another major sign is fat building up around your stomach, especially if that wasn't an issue before. And one of the biggest red flags is that you go to the gym, you work out, you lift weights, but the muscle just doesn't grow. It feels like no matter how hard you train, nothing changes. These issues are classic indicators of low testosterone. What's really interesting is that as men age, moving into their 40s, 50s, and 60s, their testosterone naturally declines, and it continues to drop slowly over time. Meanwhile, women experience the opposite. As they age, their testosterone tends to increase, so in a way, their system works in reverse compared to men. Now let's talk about what helps increase testosterone. Zinc is one of the most important nutrients for healthy hormone balance. You can get it from foods like seafood, beef, lamb, sesame seeds, and pumpkin seeds. Vitamin D is another essential piece, and you can get it from sunlight or fish oil. And then you have resistance training, lifting weights, pushing your muscles, and training consistently. This kind of exercise naturally boosts testosterone and signals the body to build more strength. But here's the surprising part. None of this will help as much as it should unless you remove the things that drag your testosterone down in the first place. That's why the 3 hormones I'm about to talk about are crucial. There are 3 hormones that can completely wreck testosterone levels when they get out of balance. The first is insulin, the hormone responsible for controlling your blood sugar. When insulin spikes too often, it pushes testosterone downward. The second hormone is estrogen. When estrogen rises higher than it should in men, testosterone drops immediately. The third hormone is cortisol, which is your stress hormone. When cortisol is high, testosterone falls even lower. Insulin causes problems, cortisol causes problems, but the most destructive hormone for men is estrogen. And the reason is simple: when estrogen becomes too high, which happens more often in aging men than in aging women, testosterone can crash fast. You can notice this physically and emotionally. Your voice may start sounding thinner, your skin becomes softer and more delicate, your body composition changes, your mood shifts, and your strength drops. All of this happens because estrogen is overpowering testosterone. So now let's focus on where that excess estrogen is coming from. The biggest hidden source of estrogen in the modern American diet is processed food. Fast food wrapped in plastic, refined cooking oils, and highly processed fats contain chemicals that act like estrogen once they enter the body. They mimic estrogen and create hormone imbalances. Another major source is factory farmed chicken. These animals are typically raised with growth hormones, antibiotics, and feed that contains soy and genetically modified grains. When men eat these products regularly, estrogen levels can rise even more. That's why choosing higher quality animal products makes such a big difference. If you eat chicken, choose pasture-raised options. If you eat beef or drink milk, choose organic or grass-fed sources whenever possible. Another important thing to understand is that body fat contains an enzyme called aromatase. Aromatase takes your testosterone and converts it into estrogen. So if you have extra fat, even a moderate amount, your body may be turning your own testosterone into estrogen every single day. Now let's talk about how to naturally clear out excess estrogen. The root of this issue is the liver. Your liver is responsible for breaking down hormones, cleaning toxins, and keeping your system in balance. When the liver is stressed or overloaded, estrogen builds up. That's why one of the best things you can do is eat cruciferous vegetables: spinach, cabbage, cauliflower, radishes, turnips, and leafy greens. These vegetables contain compounds that block the enzyme that converts testosterone into estrogen. Olive oil also helps lower estrogen naturally. Mushrooms of all types are helpful as well. On the other hand, soy products, especially soy protein isolates that many gym goers use, are highly estrogenic. Most soy in the United States is genetically modified, which makes its hormonal effects even stronger. And the final hidden source of estrogen is plastic. Plastic food containers and plastic water bottles release chemicals that disrupt hormones when they enter the body. So if your testosterone is low, focus on healing your liver, eating more whole foods, removing excess estrogen, choosing organic options, and reducing processed foods. When you do that, your testosterone naturally begins to rise again.